Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be explaining you a very important concept in Revit. So here you can see in the view properties below visibility graphics override option. So we are having another option. It is graphic display options. If I click here edit, then I'm getting a dialog box. Here you can see model display, shadow, sketch line, depth queuing, lighting, realistic, background, and you can save these settings as a template also. That's cool. And the same option here in the bottom left after scale, so you are having detail level. After that you are having visual style. If you click here you can see graphic display options. So here we are having wireframe mode, hidden line, shaded, consistent color and realistic. If we change it to wireframe, you can see how it looks. Every model edge comes like a wireframe. So here you can see this is how it looks. Now we are in wireframe. If I change it to hidden line, then you can see like a paper model. If you select and change it to shaded, then you can see shaded color with the shade. And the next option is consistent color, so without a shade. And the next is realistic. If you apply material, then you can see the real color or real texture. So this is coming from the material. In Revit you don't have to render all the time. You can just export an image and you can give. So here if I select graphic display option, you are getting this window. If you select here graphic display option, you will get the same window. Okay, so now we have seen model display. This is our model display option. You can select all the style from here. Wireframe, if you apply it will change. You can change it to hidden line, then shaded, then consistent color. Consistent color means without shade, then realistic. So below model display we are having let's set a model display to a shaded mode, shaded style, then say apply. And here you can see below we are having show edge. If you uncheck this one, if you apply, you can see there is no edges showing. Now it looks like a real photo. So now we don't see any black line. You can check to show lines. If I apply, you can see the difference. Smooth line with anti-aliasing. If you check, and you can see something is changing here, really looks good. And if you set here transparent, though this is how it looks, so we can see what are the objects are behind. If I give full transparent, it will look like a wireframe again. Yes. And here you can see silhouettes. So beyond, so these are our lines. Let's say overheaded and say apply, and you can see, so first line we are seeing a continuous line, and the second line, the beyond line, we are seeing a dash line. That's cool. So we can create a new line to apply. I'm not creating anything now. If we say none I don't see any change. I can change it to beyond, demolished. That's it. So this is all about model display. We can continue. If you want, you can watch this video till the end. Let's see the next option. It's your shadows. Here we have two shadows. One is cast shadow and one more is ambient shadows. Cast shadows actually showing the sun settings, so all the shadows coming from one direction. So if I uncheck this one and if I get ambient shadows are given so only to look cool. So here actually, in case if there is a sun in the right side, then here there won't be any shadows, but still there is some shades. So these are ambient shadow. You can give both and it looks great. So let's uncheck ambient shadows. Now I'm going to be showing a very cool thing. Let's keep the model display to a hidden line, and here in the third option you can enable sketch line. So here you can see jitter and extension. If you give jitter and apply, so we have given in the hidden line mode, that's why it is white, and here we are giving jitter. So that means when we are drawing a line, it goes here and there. So you can see it just looks like your hand drafting, like a hand sketch. Very nice. Let's go to the same window again. You can click here, graphic display option, go to sketch lines, and here the second option is extension. If I extend, if I give OK, then you can see some lines are getting extended. You can see here this is extending after the slab, this is extending. Okay, so that's all about sketch line and extension. So next we'll see about a depth queuing. Let's disable sketch lines and apply. So we are having a paper model now. Let's go to the same window and come to the next option, depth queuing. To enable this, we are supposed to be in elevation view. Let's draw a wall. Let's draw a wall with steps. Okay, so this wall is in front, this wall is at the back side. Let's go to level 1, extend the section till here, right click, go to view. Here if you see the wall, you can see the difference. So here actually it looks like black again. Come here, go to options, depth queuing, fade limit. If I keep it to 0, if I apply, you can see here it is getting faded. The same way it will happen for this wall also. You can see here this wall kind of gray, and the next wall little thick, and the first wall is thicker. So that's the difference. So here you can see the difference. When I zoom in, it is thick. When I just leave it, you can see this is the cut one is black and what is far is gray. So that's what a depth queuing. The next one is lighting and realistic, and then we have background. So lighting and realistic, we have to do it with the rendering options. Maybe we'll see in next video. The background I can show now. Background, now it is set to none. If you give sky and if you apply, you can see some backgrounds are applied. So this is your background. go to the same window, background. Here you can see the color. Select, say gradient, and apply. The color is changing, 3 colors. You can give any image at the background. If you give image, you can customize image. You have to import an image. If I go to desktop, I don't have any image for now. For now, let's do something. Let's go to desktop, take a snapshot. Okay, this is my picture. File, save as, desktop, just to save, minimize, go to Revit, go to the same window, background. Here select image, customize image, browse an image, select the image. So this is our image. Then you can change the width, the height. If you want, you can change, and then give OK. So now you can see the image is applied. You can actually move the image. You can select, let's go to graphic display option, background, customize image, offset. So if I move here, you can see I can move up or down, and I'm giving OK. See, the background is moving. That is how you have to adjust with the picture. I think that's all for the day. So I hope now you have understood the graphics style and graphic display options. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.